So I've got what I'm calling my tropical beach bum cake.
Nice.
Yeah, so what we've got here is just really simple. So we've got cookie crumbs, then we've got vanilla pudding mix. I wanted to give it a little cheesecake flavor, but without the cheesecake work of throwing it in the oven. So the pudding is mixed with a little cream cheese, and then I folded in a little whipped cream. So it's got some nice texture. It's gonna be nice and cool and fluffy. This is our base right here. So I wanted to make an ocean. I'm a beach babe, I'm an ocean girl, as you are. You know how it goes. So we're gonna start and just do a little bit of this fun sparkly blue icing.
This is so cute.
It's really cute, and it looks, so this is kind of the secret. Once you take an offset spatula and start going back and forth over it, you kind of get the waves. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, how cute is
A little
that?
beachy texture without the undertow.
Wow.
Yeah, exactly.
Careful.
You just get this at a craft store?
Yeah, you can get this at pretty much any craft store. It's perfect. Really easy to find. So that's gonna go all the way around the outside, so you've got your nice little ocean. This is gonna be our sand. And it's gonna go in the middle.
I love this
These are
already.
just classic graham cracker crumbs, which I love that you can actually buy these pre-made. Got your beach. I love this part. This is our beach towels.
Oh my
So these are these fun.
Smart. I was trying to figure out what that was gonna be.
Yes, these fun little sour strips. Okay, we've got beach towel, beach towel. These are
Stop it
our teddy
right
crackers.
now.
They're just straight chilling. These are our beach
Oh
bums.
no, she needs a cover up. She don't sit out. like
Yeah. No, we're gonna put a little dress on her
tan
later.
lines.
Yeah, no tan lines. That's exactly right.
Oh, it's that kind of beach.
That's right. And then we've got these fun little sour, they're like sour
Rings?
gummy rings.
Yeah.
Or is it an inner tube?
Oh,
So
he's
can
being
just-
rescued
Dude, he's just
because
chilling.
he's driving into-
No, dude, he's just chilling. He's just having a good time at the beach. You gotta have your palm trees. So we've got these little swivel cookies. Yeah, you know what? We'll put the shade over these guys, because they're bathing in the nude.
That is awesome.
Little palm tree. So we just got some fresh mint here. Boom, little palm tree. And then onto my favorite part.
Uh-oh.
This is my favorite part.
Crafty.
Okay.
Oh boy.
We're getting crafty
Get
with
back,
you.
Jeffrey.
All right, here we go. Now I'm actually terrified of real life crabs.
Really?
Yeah, they're really, really scary. They do this and
they
like
pinch you.
Yeah. So I only like them covered in lemon or made into candy, which is what we're doing today. So we've got these little cherry gummy slices. So this is the body of the crab. So you've got the top and the bottom, just like this.
Okay.
You've got his fun little eyes. And these candy eyes you can get just at any grocery store in the baking section or any craft store. Yeah, and
Don't
they're
eat 'em, Jeff.
totally edible. Yeah, everything but watch the toothpicks. And with the blue icing, you can use that to just pop on the little candy eyes.
Okay.
And then they'll go boom, boom, like that.
Okay.
And so then we're gonna move over to make the claws, which is
Okay.
really simple. It's gonna end up looking like this, which again, is this not terrifying to anybody else?
Yeah, unless I'm eating a crab, I would prefer not to be in the
Dude, I want it in
I'm
a
with
crab
you
cake
on that.
form.
really?
Yes.
What am I gonna do with the crab?
I want it in a crab cake form.
We have a.
All right, so I'm gonna take a little snip, just a little triangle off this top part here, and then one more little snip right at this part here. And then,
Take a look at that.
right?
Oh, I thought
So
that
you've
was-
got sort
Okay.
of this little,
you got
this little
that.
shape going on. And then
Uh-oh.
boom,
Beautiful.
into here. An arm on this side, an arm on that side. So here is our lovely finished crab.
Oh.
Not scary at all.
Not at all.
Totally
Yeah.
delicious.
Yeah.
He's gonna be just popped. Oh, Katie's just finishing the water.
having fun over
beachy
here.
man.
Want to join us in the scene, Katie, or just want to decorate? Please.
You give this girl a beach, she just
Crafting.
runs away with
That's
it.
right, beach
All
vibes, baby.
Boom, this guy is gonna go in here just like
Look
this.
how
All right,
cute.
let's go over and see what this
Yeah.
looks like. All put together, nice and finished. Tropical beach bum,
come
baby.
on.
I love
Yes.
it. I love
Gotta
it.
have a little party umbrella.
This is low time.
Yeah, this is low tide. Exactly. Stick this in your mojito after. And then the finishing touch on this, guys, just a little bit of sanding sugar, which is just nice
Love
and coarse.
it. I have so much sanding sugar in my
It's
house.
so cool.
Out
It
of
just, it
control.
just gives you this nice little texture, kind of a glisten to the waves. And that's it. You've got your little teddy crackers floating. You've got your crab chilling. This is a beach, baby. Life's a beach. Now you eat it.
That's right.
Right?
Can we eat
Let's
it?
eat it.
Yeah.
Let's
So
eat
let's
it.
do it.
I'm afraid.
It's adorable.
I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, Sunny, I think you should be the first to try this because you're standing
Yeah.
the closest to me.
Hook
Love a
me
good
up with
beer.
the one that's super tan.
Yes, let's do it.
Yeah.
All right.
Super
Again.
tan
I want
one.
to get him out of the sun.
Yes.
Yeah, it's time.
Oh, no.
We
well, we
also-
buried him a little, but it's
That's
still going to be
okay.
delicious.
We
Still
do
gonna
love
be
when you
delicious.
replicate our
Keep
cakes
scooping.
and show us your versions on Instagram and online and everything.
Yeah, you guys
you
gotta
might
do
make
this.
the cut next
Yeah,
time we
yeah.
do a fun little cake like this. Jeffrey and I are good. We don't want anything.
Sure.
Well, first of all,
Ladies first.
Ooh, double.
I
scoop
love
for
a dirt
Jeffrey.
cake because it's simple, it's easy, and it does say summertime, and it also feels like potlucky, like, you know, friends and family are
Yeah.
over. But what I truly love is the pudding. You put cream cheese in there and the whipped cream and the pudding. It really does create a different texture of that pudding